When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give up. No, I won't give up. I won't give up.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Monthsary Perez sa inyo dalawa.
Umiyak.
Umiyak. Okay, stay strong. Yun lang ba?
Robert Shane, happy Monthsary. Sana magtagal kayo watch. Ikaw ra, kahit hindi pa kita nalala. Ang skinny pa na. Happy Monthsary na guys. Uy! Happy Monthsary nga pala. Stay strong. Happy Monthsary.
Monthsary.
Happy Monthsary!
Hi friend, congratulations. Umabot kayo ng isang buwan kahit pa paano. Ang akin lang na huwag kayong gumawa ng dahilan na pag-iiwalayan niyo. Kung may problema man friend, I'm more than willing to hear your stand. Ingat, God bless, mama. I love you both.
Jem yan. Monthsary friend. Yung dalawa ni Ram. Tsaka umabot kayo ng isang buwan. Puro kayo kalokohan, puro kayo bunahan. Tigil mo na yan, friend. Ingat palagi kayo, ha? Bye-bye.
Hi, happy first Monthsary. Sana magtagal kayo. Huwag na huwag kayong gagawa ng bagay na pag-aawayan. Aray, yung sakit! Hi, happy Monthsary. Sana magtagal kayo palagi. Ayun na, iba-iba na.